Hi and welcome. In this video I'm going to provide an overview of how to export data from our SEO tools. Now there's a number of places in which you can do this throughout the tool. So if we click on the reporting link in the side menu, this will take us through to the reporting page. You can also navigate to this page by going to any particular project and clicking the reporting link within that project. So if we select a project from here and click the reporting icon, this will take us through to the reporting page. Now from here we can click the export tab, and this is the primary place where you can export and download data from within Raptor. So if you want to download an Excel report, we have three pre-built reports at the moment. So the SEO report, which will give you pretty much all of the data that we have available from your website crawl. This is delineated into different tabs such as canonical data, indexation, metadata, sitemaps, social media tags, Google Analytics, and so forth. You can also download an images report, which will show you where all of the images are located on your website, the types of images that they are, and a broken links report, which will show you where all of the broken links are on your site. To get access to these, you just simply click the Build Report button. This may take a little while depending on the size of the site, but typically sites such as ours, where there's a few thousand pages, that will become immediately available. Clicking the Download button will download that file to your Downloads folder and will show in the bottom left-hand corner of your web browser most typically. You can also download a custom CSV file with any of the data that we have available. So you can select groups of data such as metadata, individual data such as the title tag and title tag count, or you can click all data and then just remove categories or specific pieces of data that you don't want to include. Clicking the Download CSV button will download that again to your Downloads folder, and that will show in the bottom left hand corner of your web browser. So this is again the primary way that you can download data through our SEO tools package. If you have a lot of historical data from previous crawls, you can select the data that you want from the date that you did the crawl. Click the Go button. That simply refreshes the page and allows you to download the data from that particular crawl. If we go to the summary page, you'll see that these are clickable links. So if we were to click the no index pages, where we have three, this will take you through to a page where you can see all of the pages that have got a no index tag on them, and from here you can click the Download CSV button and it'll download all of the data that you can see on the screen here into CSV. Any page throughout the site where you can actually see crawl data, such as all of these pages from the latest and previous crawl, you can download a CSV version of that data. If you go to the SEO auditing section, where you'll see the different tabs of data that we have, such as content, again, they're clickable links here, clickable links within the charts themselves. This will take you to a page again with all of the data that's included within that chart or that particular part of the chart, and again you can click the Download CSV button to download that data. So that's how you download data from Raptor's web crawler. I hope you found this video useful. Thanks for watching.